All right, welcome to Options Tenor. Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, January 6th. What a new year to start. So, we're going to go over multiple time frames like we do every morning on the SPX. Check out the ES, see where we might be going, and then head over to some individual names. We have some names that are looking real good. So, if you like this information, please hit the notification button so you can get this and subscribe, right? And so you can get this information every morning after the market and on the weekend. Plus, we give some bonus videos every here and there. So please do like the videos. That's very, very important so we can get this information out to many, many people. The algorithms for YouTube don't work without them. Cool. So let's dive into it. We have the SPX on the monthly. We are working at 1, Elliott wave 2, 3, 4, 5. We are working on wave 5 right now. So it looks like we have a little bit more room to go. Momentum is to the upside on the weekly. On the weekly, we have Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and also on working on a 5. We're holding this upper resistance right now turn into support. We're having a lot of trouble with that area, and I'll show you why on the daily. But we're popping off. We held on the 8MA, and we're off to another good start. Here we are with the momentum, sort of moving sideways, but maybe we can work that up to the upside a little bit. Trend is our friend. And here we go with Elliott wave 1, 2, 3. We're working on, I believe that was the end of it. So we have 4. Let's move these numbers. So those are actually, I got to change those into, they're confusing right now. 4 and up to wave 5. So we have we're working on wave 5, we believe, held on to support. We're back above the 20 and the 8MA. The only thing that we have to be cautious about is we are still on a downward momentum, but the momentum is resetting while price is going to the side and up, grinding up. So if we can get this to work its way back to the upside and cross over to the upside, a bullish cross, then we will be off to the races. If not, in the meantime, we want to be super cautious with the indices, and that's really what I want to emphasize today on the ES chart. So digging into the ES, we had an Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That was actually our larger third wave. So this is a big fourth wave down here. We don't know for sure that it's actually over. This could be an A, B, C. We're going to have to, today's going to be super telling because of all the news that's coming out. This is just, this is ugly. So we're not playing the SPY. We're not playing the QQQ. We're not playing the IWN. All those are just wild right now. They're all over the place. They're hard to read. We want to stick to individual names until this clears up. So what we want to think is that this is a 1, 2, and then we're working on 3 right now to the upside to finish off our wave count and then see a maybe potential major correction. We'll see. We have to play it day by day, so keep watching every day. Okay, individual names real fast. Neo is on fire. I guess the Democrats are in and Neo wants to burst. So we have a real big range here. This is a wave 4 that on a big scale moving up to wave 5. So what we have here, it's getting tighter. Oh, nice wave 1, so impulsive. Wave 2, and Neo just moves excellent. So we're working on wave 3 right here, and we have this beautiful ascending triangle that's going to, hopefully, we're going to play this today. We're going to burst out to the upside and maybe retest the resistance, becoming support, making a bullish MACD crossover. Gorgeous. We're definitely playing this one today. WAB. This real quick. It's a new name that we we noticed from, I believe, Trend Spider, that had a A, B, C correction, and we're working our way up. I don't have the wave count on here yet, but momentum is tipping up, and all the other, the daily's curling up. I don't have that screen up, but all the momentum is facing the right direction. So good name to look at. Check that one out. dkng finally back in action. So look at this. Huge correction. Man, this thing moves. So we had a 5-wave count up. This is a huge wave 1. We had a correction down to 2, and we're working on what we think is a minute wave 1 again. So look at this average right here. This might be a good spot for the wave 1 to end. We're gonna wait for just somewhat of a pullback. Not sure how far back it's gonna pull, but as soon as we see it moving back to the upside, we're gonna grab this name and ride it to the sky. Okay, so we're looking at getting this name maybe by the end of the week or beginning of next week. It moves so quick that it might be tomorrow. Okay, last name, pltr. Ooh, this one gave us trouble the last few weeks. Which a lot of times this fourth wave, we're not sure what happened. We thought it was going to triangulate, but really it faked us out and broke down to the downside. So what it did in this, your correction for the fourth wave, and to start our new wave 5, this was this is a wave 1 here, and then the A, B, C correction for wave 2. And it just took so long, so it was so confusing. And now what we believe is wave 3 right now. So we jumped in this name yesterday. We have some options for next week in the weeklies, and we'll swing it up to the upside. So that's it for today, you guys. Thank you very much for joining us here at Options Tender. Good luck trading, and we'll talk to you after the bell.